Here's a super cool 1 ounce gold coin. PCGS rated PR 70 decam. Flawless proof. From the Cook Islands. It's titled Firefighter from the series Real Heroes. There are only 199 of these that were minted and only 22 with the perfect grade of PR 70. So it's super rare, and you know, this is actually the reverse you're looking at. It's a close-up of a firefighter in high relief with a kind of a cool honeycomb background. Some is proof, some is matte. On the firefighter's helmet is the number 343, and that's the number of people that died on 9/11 in the Twin Towers. It's got a reeded edge. The obverse depicts two firefighters, you know, with the towers in the background. Below them is the inscription, "Only the brave are free." Of course, Her Highness the Queen, Elizabeth II, by Ian Rank Broadley, is the artist who, that's on a lot of coins, his image. So, and the denomination, you know, it's $250 the year 2021. So it's a really unique coin, you know, super high relief. It's almost like a photograph. That's CTI minting. Only CTI has, like, look at his eyes. It almost looks like it's a photograph. It's such incredible, phenomenal, high-tech minting. So, hope you enjoyed it. Perfect grade. Peace out there.